Breakfast is ready.
Huh? I thought you were doing your breeding thing. How come breakfast became important? How come? I thought air was food.
Well, it's not. And just in case you don't know, doing breathing exercise helps you concentrate. It takes away anxiety.
Oh, really? I should try that out one of these days.
Yeah, you should. It helps a lot. When you're angry, all you have to do is take a deep breath and say, Woosah.
Yes, Dad. Morning, Dad.
Good morning.
Good morning, Dad.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, Uncle.
Did you guys sleep well?
Yes, Dad. Dad, you've been quiet since we started having breakfast. Are you okay?
Yes, I am. Just a short night.
For that, you should drink lots of water. Helps to keep you hydrated.
Madam Doctor.
Yes, it's true. Water is good for your body.
Dad, you remember I'll be going to my friend's place for a sleepover today? She'll be coming to pick me. Yes, Dad. Dad, I think the driver is here. Let me get my bag.
Madam, I'll carry your mom.
I don't know. I've been trying to call Jide since yesterday. He's not been picking his call. I hope he's okay.
Okay, Ashade. Bye.
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 Have fun.
Yeah, thank you.
Take care
Bye,
of yourselves.
Dad. I will. Thank you, Dad.
Call me if you need anything.
Okay, Dad. Yes, Dad.
Hey, Dad.
I can't seem to get Jide on the phone.
Maybe he's busy with something. Or he has company, you know?
Maybe you're right. Let's give him time.
Yes.
So, tell me about work. And all the guys disturbing you.
Come on, Daddy.
What? You think I don't know?
How do you know?
A father always knows these things.
Really?
Yes.
Daddy, you just walked, Jerry. There's nothing to tell.
Sorry. I haven't been able to pick your calls. I just feel the need to be alone. Distance myself from you. Sumbo, I don't think we can be friends anymore. Bye. Is this man okay at all? No. I think it's some hangover from Friday night.
Daddy? Daddy?
Can you imagine?
Imagine what?
Jide said we can no longer be friends.
Any particular reason?
No. I thought it was hangover from Friday night. But definitely it isn't.
Have you tried talking to him?
He's not picking up his phone.
Where are you going?
Just going to get a few stuff from the area.
Okay. Don't stay out late.
Won't be. Bye, Uncle.
Take care of yourself. Finally. Hello, Jide. What is the meaning of the things you sent to me?
What did I send? I don't want us to be friends anymore.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Is there any particular reason why you're telling me of? Something I did or? Jide? Hello? Hello, Jide? He hung up.
Daddy, you need to calm down.
How could he do this to me?
Daddy, you need to calm down. He might be in trouble for all we know. And where are you going to?
Out?
Where is out? Damola, if you had a wristwatch, you would know that it's quite late.
Yes, I have a watch. And oh, so you now know when it's safe to go out.
Eh? Are you crazy? Eh? How dare you talk to me like that? Oh, so you think you're all grown up now, eh?
Good evening, Shade. Good evening, Madam Damola. Where are you going to?
And how is it any of your business?
Sorry.
Damola, see, I am not trying to stop you from going out. I'm not even saying you shouldn't go out. All we need to know is who will be responsible for your safety.
As an adult, I can take care of myself.
My friend, come back here.
Leave me alone. You're not my mother.
What did you just say?
But it is true now. You're not my mother. Not even your mom can stop me from going out. So stop trying to play mom and go and get married.
How dare you? Have you gone nuts? Don't you ever in your life mention my mother. You hear me? Look at this girl, oh. All I'm trying to do is correct you and stop you from making a mistake. And you don't want to listen. Look, you know what? I don't even care what you do with yourself. But don't you ever in your life mention my mother. Go get out. Look at her. This girl has got so.
And what are you doing here?
Sumbo, I did not come to fight. You said you wanted to talk.
Talk? Since 8 a.m. You just woke up and decided to send me whatever you like.
That's the truth. And that's what I want.
What you want? So you came here to prove that you're not a coward, yeah?
I came here to talk to a friend. I don't
Look,
understand.
look, I'm not your friend. The last time I checked, I was the one that got a strange SMS from you. For no reasons at all. Don't sit on my couch.
Calm down, Sumbo. Just calm down. I'm here and I'm willing to talk to you.
Whatever you have to say, I'm not interested again. It's all important to me.
So that's the way it is, eh? So that's how it is, eh? I'm here and I want to talk to you. You don't want to listen to me. And I'm right. You are so full of yourself because you have everything that you want. Business, children who love you, enough money for you to spend. How would you want to listen to what I have to say?
So that's it. You are jealous, right? You are jealous of me after all what we've been through.
You think so? Sumbo, me? I see you as a brother. I envy what you have achieved. and I admire you for it at the same time. But it's good to know what you think about me. It's my fault. I don't blame you at all. After all, it's me that come here to ask you for food, for money. I'm a dead weight to you. That's it.
So that's it.
We are done here.
Done. Then what? Look, you are not walking out on me. If anybody's going to walk out, it should be me.
What is this? You think I always get what you want? This time, I'm walking out on you. Look, I'm walking out on you. I came here on my own. What? I'm walking out.
I'm too old for this.
I don't know.
Are you not walking out again?
No, you win this one.
Look, Jide, I'm sorry for what I said. I didn't mean it. You know, I love you like a brother.
Me too. Just that I was feeling so inferior when I sent that text. I just don't like the fact that I come always to ask you for things. That's not life, you know.
Yeah.
And you can't even drag a little bit. Everything.
You know the last time I went to the gym.
I'm fitter than you. Look at me now. Look at me now.
See what you did,
I'm not fitter.
Dad, you scared me.
And where are you coming from?
Nowhere. I just went to make sure that the gate was locked.
And Damola, she isn't in the house, is she?
No, I mean, yes, she is. I thought both of you were talking. Or maybe not.
I'm off to bed. Make sure your sisters are asleep.
Okay,
and
Dad.
Lock the door.
Yes. Good night, Dad.
Good night.
Tamola, what is wrong with you? Eh? You so do not listen. You almost got yourself killed.
I'm sorry, Shade. I didn't know the guys were armed robbers.
It's okay. It's alright. Calm down. It's okay. You'll be fine, okay? Calm down. You just need to take a cold bath. Really? Sorry.
I'm sorry about everything I said.
It's alright.
You mean everything to me.
I'm sorry about hitting you too. Sorry. Shh, check it. Shh.